This chair pad and bed pad connects directly to the nurse call system via the 6.3mm connector and is suitable for all brands of nurse call systems. Simply switch the system on, the on-off switch on the side. Status light comes on to tell you that it's on. Now, when the resident sits on the chair pad or the bed pad, status light flashes once to indicate that it's armed. And as the resident exits the bed or the chair, the status light will come on again. There's a 2-second delay, and the status light comes on to say that it's been activated, and now the alarm call's gone through the nurse call system. There's no need to switch the monitor on or off again. As the resident comes back to the bed or the chair and sits down again, you can see the status light flashed again. That means it's now armed. And as the resident leaves the bed, there's a 2-second delay, and again the alarm call's gone through the nurse call system. The bed pad is of course larger than the chair pad, and it's foldable for easy shipping and storage.